Meron tayong mababang kumpiyansa, Libra. Sa totoo lang, with the magician, this is all the tools that was given to you with the chariots. You're already surpassed. Um, you already surpassed all the things, those challenges in your life. And I think that you deserve to be loved and to experience love. No? Um, ikaw mismo, Libra, whatever it is that siguro this is how you treated yourself. Baka kasi ganun yung tingin mo sa sarili mo, tinatrato mo yung sarili mo ng ganun na you're not deserving. Kaya the people who approach you, dahil nakikita nila sa iyo na hindi mo inaalagaan yung sarili mo, na pinapabayaan mo yung sarili mo, that manifested to their eyes na parang, ay, okay lang pala sa kanya. So Libra, what is happening? Sobrang baba ng kumpiyansa natin. Para yung ganito, Libra. Kung merong mga taong binibisita yung dating ikaw, para yun yung lumang bahay mo no? Isipin mo ito, pupunta sila sa bahay mo, yung lumang bahay mo, para pag nakawan ka. Nakawin ang peace of mind mo, nakawin yung growth mo, nakawin um, yung transformation mo na pagbabago. Lagi nilang ipapaalala sa'yo. But you're not living there anymore. Sira na yung bahay na yon, sira na yung mga gamit na yon, wala nang value yun. You're living in a different place, you're living in a different situation, circumstances, you're probably living in a different body, scientifically speaking, nag-replenish, no, yung mga cells natin. It depends on the organs, no? Yung iba a year, iba 7 years, pero you're not the same person anymore. Parang pinagnakawan nila yung lumang bahay mo na hindi ka naman doon nakatira. So, would that hurt me? No. Because I'm not living there anymore. Iba na ako. No? Where's the King of Wands in